Namaskar all my yoga friends. Hope you all are doing great. So this is our 15th session of the live yoga. I am very happy that we are able to continue and we are daily spending some time practicing together. So with this thing going very well, I am very much sure that we will be doing all our 21 days live yoga sessions without fail. So let's keep practicing. Even someday if you are not able to practice with the live session, at least see the recording anytime in the day and keep practicing. I am also putting these sessions on the YouTube now one by one, so I think I have around first 7 days session are already on YouTube now, so you can watch them on my channel. I have given the link one day. I'll also give that YouTube link once again. So keep practicing. And for today what we decided is, yesterday we learned the Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar. So today also we will go with the Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar practice, so that we can master all the 18th step one by one, and it will improve our practice. From tomorrow we will introduce something new. I am thinking to teach some chair yoga postures, because some elderly people, or if you have any knee issues, then for them chair yoga is very good. So if I will take one session on chair yoga, it will help all those guys. So let's start today's session with the opening prayer and join our hands together. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritgamaya. Let's start with warm up. Slowly come onto your mat. Let's start with the neck movement. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 3. Breathe in up, breathe out down. 4. 5. Now side twisting of the neck. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, right. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now bending neck, ear to the shoulder. So we will try to touch our ear to the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, and breathe out and bend the neck. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now rotation, chin to the chest first, and 1, 2, complete rotation. 2, 3, keep your eyes open. 4, 5. Now opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Shoulder rotation now. Quickly breathe in, hands up. Breathe out. You are placing your fingers on the back of your shoulders. Bring your both the elbows up and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. A very beautiful massage will happen in your shoulders. Waist rotation now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Rotation opposite side. Breathe in half, breathe out other half. Move your waist in all the 4 directions. Left, right, forward and backward. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wonderful. Now knee rotation. So bend your knee a little bit. Place your both the hands on the knees and rotate them first clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wonderful. Ankle rotation. So first ankle up and down. So bring your right leg above the ground and then press your toe down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotation. 1, clockwise first. 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Change the leg. All the people who have joined live, namaskar. Keep doing. Down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Let's do some stretches now. So first of all, side stretch. Bring your both the legs at each shoulder and or little more than the shoulder distance. Breathe in. I think it was resumed in between. Let's continue. So breathe in, right hand up. Breathe out. Bend in a single plane, lateral bend. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Very good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slide your other hand down. 2. Continue. 3, 4, 5, 6. If we see from front, it will look like this. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Now little front and back stretching. So breathe in, take your hands all the way up, join both the hands and then little backward stretching, and then forward while breathing out. So continue. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Very good. How it will look like from front? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Let's do some asanas by sitting, the warm up and the joint rotations. So we have missed from last few days the leg flexibility related all the rotations and the Sukshma Vyayam. So let's do some Sukshma Vyayam for the legs. So first of all, just hold your leg like this, interlock both the fingers, keep your hands supporting your thigh, and then breathe in, extend your leg completely straight, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Change the leg now. Support your thigh from both the hands and interlock your fingers. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, extend your leg. Breathe out, bring your heel near your buttocks as near as possible. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wonderful. Now let's try to do the same, keeping both the thighs together. So interlock your fingers and support your thigh, both the thighs. Maintain your balance. In this, we have to maintain the balance. It's a bit challenging than doing one leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 3, 4. Try to keep your leg as straight as possible. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Wonderful. Let's do some practices related to our core muscles as well. So lie down on your mat completely, and then let's do some leg strengthening and core strengthening exercises. So first, Ekpad Uttanasana. Continue, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. But it will be in flow. So we will not stop in between. Let's do 30 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 30. Very good. Relax for a while. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Let's do cycling now, but from both the legs. So 15 count clockwise, 15 count anti-clockwise. So bring your heels near your buttocks. Support from your hands place your hands firmly near your buttocks and then extend your legs. Breathe out, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a big circle. 6, 7, 8. Very good. 9. Make a big circle. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Very good. So cycling movement which we do from both the legs, which we do from one leg at a time, like this. Now we are doing from both the legs. That's the difference. Relax for a few seconds and then anti-clockwise. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in deep, breathe out deeply. While doing this movement, feel the pressure on your core muscles. So your stomach fat will remove. While doing it, especially for removing the stomach fat, you should do at least 20 repetitions and 3 sets. Minimum do 3 sets. Let's do now anti-clockwise. So we did this clockwise now. Now we are doing opposite. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Make a bigger circle and extend your legs fully. Don't touch the ground. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Very good. Relax the legs now. Shake them a little bit. Take few breaths in and out. Now place both the hands behind your neck region. Interlock your fingers. And now again we will do a leg movement that is called wiper movement as well. So like on our vehicles like car, we have wipers. We will just swing our legs like this, right and left. Let's do 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, very good. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax now. Very good. So I think I moved a little front while doing this. So that happens when we keep moving. We may go little forward. Adjust yourself on the mat. Take few breaths to relax yourself and then slowly sit on your mat by extending the legs, sitting in Dandasana. Keep your neck up. Keep your spine straight. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out, down. Take few breaths, long and deep, to relax yourself. Now let's do Chakki Chalanasana. So Chakki Chalanasana, wonderful exercise for our stomach and It will improve the all the organs in the our stomach and abdominal region will get a wonderful massage. Also your hamstrings will be flexible. So breathe in and breathe out continuously. Breathe out while going front, breathe in while going back, and try to cross your toes every time you move forward. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Opposite now, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. While going back, feel that pressure on your core. 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Continue and relax. Breathe in, open up your chest, breathe out. Breathe in from nose, breathe out from mouth. Open up your chest, fill the lungs. Relax yourself. Very good. Now we will move towards Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar. So we will try to finish 5 sets at least, and after that take minimum 10 minutes rest. That is Shavasana. That is after Vinyasa B 5 sets. So let's quickly move to Vinyasa B. Yesterday we have already learned all the steps. If you are still you have not watched yesterday video, please go and watch yesterday video for doing Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar, where step by step I have mentioned each 18 step of this practice. So let's continue. 1, hand straight, 2 down, 3, Uttanasana, 4, Chaturanga Dandasana, 5, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, 6, Adho Mukha Svanasana, 7, Veerbhadrasana, 8, Chaturanga Dandasana, 9, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, 10, Adho Mukha Svanasana, 11, left leg Veerbhadrasana, 12, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, 13, 14, Adho Mukha Svanasana, look front, jump forward, 15, Uttanasana, 16, Padahastasana, 17, Utkatasana, hands straight, bend your knees, 18, relax. So this is 18 step complete Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar flow. Let's now again, for the ease of understanding, let's do one set from the side angle, so that whoever missed yesterday, they will also able to follow. So this is our second set. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, bend your knee, jump back. 4, 6, 7, hands straight, chest open, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, bend your knee, look front, 15, 16, 17, 18, relax. Wonderful. So 2 sets over. Let's continue. Now from the side, from the front angle. So hope whoever missed yesterday, if they will see this, they will also understand doing all the steps. Let's continue. Wonderful. So 2 sets over. We are initiating the third set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg, Virabhadrasana. 11, 12, 13, 14, jump forward, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. So already lot of sweat started coming. It takes a lot of effort. So when we are doing 5 Surya Namaskara, it is giving a lot of strength to you. Every day if you can do 5 or more, it will be wonderful. In the traditional Surya Namaskar, we have actually we say 12, but out of them 2 are just Namaskar. So the actual pose is 10. But here you are having complete 18 posture, which will take a lot of effort. Let's continue. Fourth set now. 1, hand straight, stand up, bend your knee. Your knees should not cross your toe. 2, 3, look front, jump back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, look forward, jump, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. So we are done with the 4 sets. Last set of Vinyasa Surya Namaskar. Whoever is able to do 4, it is already very good. If you are feeling exhausted now, just lie down on your mat. Whoever have still more energy, Mahabali, Yog Bali, continue with the 5th set as well. Let's do with full devotion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, jump forward. 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. Excellent. Now lie down on your mat, Shavasana, for 2 minutes. Simply lie down on your back. Remove your specs. If you are wearing specs, you can remove your watches as well if you are wearing. Breathe in deep. Breathe out completely. Exhale all the excess heat in the body. Breathe in deep and breathe out. Your feet are apart. Your palms open. Hands not touching the body. Nose pointing to the ceiling. Keep your eyes closed. With each breath, feel relaxation in each part of your body. Starting from head, breathe in, relax all the muscles in head and face region, release tension, relax all the muscles, shoulder, breathe in and relax, arm, breathe in and relax, all the fingers, palm, both the hands, breathe in and relax, chest region, breathe in and relax, abdomen, stomach region, breathe in and relax, your back region, lower, middle, upper back, breathe in and relax, breathe in through your spine, bottom to top, top to bottom. Bring your attention towards your spine, each vertebra by vertebra. Relax all the joints. Breathe in through your both the legs, knee joint, ankle joint, feet, and relax all the muscles in your legs. Once again, from bottom of your body, big toe, all the way top to your head. Breathe in and relax all the muscles. Lie down in this relaxed state for some time until I ask you to open the eyes. Just lie down and relax. Now slowly move your fingers and your toes. Turn towards right side. Take support of your hand and slowly sit on your mat. So our session ends here. Let's close with a beautiful closing prayer. Let's chant together. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. hope you are enjoying these sessions. Join me every day, and we are learning beautiful techniques to relax ourselves, to maintain the good health, to increase and maintain a optimal level of immunity. We have learned pranayama and all. Every day I am not able to teach all the things which we have covered till now. So if you are missing, just watch all the videos, the live videos which is available on my page, and also available on the Vishwa Yoga Sansthan page. There go and watch these videos. I am giving the link of the YouTube as well. Now I am putting all these live sessions on YouTube. So just keep watching every day, practice in these live sessions, and have a great day ahead. Namaste. Stay fit, stay healthy.